Welcome to Firsttech Machine LLP. We are one of India's leading 3D solution providers for the jewelry industry, dedicated to delivering advanced technology. This is the entrance to Firsttech Machine LLP, where our journey of innovation, service, and customer commitment begins. Here, our office team manages administration, accounts, documentation, and daily business operations that keep the company running smoothly and professionally. This is our software development division, where our team works on software support, system integration, and technology-driven solutions that strengthen our complete business ecosystem. This is our account and admin department, supporting internal coordination, process management, and customer-related operations. Now we come to our manufacturing and technical area, where products, systems, and machine-related solutions are assembled, checked, and prepared for practical use in the jewelry industry. This is our research and development department, where we focus on testing, improvement, innovation, and developing scalable technical solutions for future industry needs. This is one of our demo centers where customers can experience our technology and solutions in real working condition. Our core offerings includes cutting-edge 3D wax printers, materials, spare parts, and end-to-end technical services. We are channel partners for Magic Software and OEM partners for Zahar and Xerox print heads, the core of every 3D wax printer in India. We also manufacture key post-processing equipment and are developing India's first desktop 3D wax printer. We provide 3D wax printing services during breakdowns and training courses for customer staff to ensure efficient printer operation. No company in India offers this level of support. These machine visuals reflect our commitment to real industrial application, working technology, and customer-focused performance. We proudly serve customers across Mumbai, India, and selected overseas markets with growing business activity and trusted industry relationships. This is our store and support inventory area, where we maintain important materials, spare parts, and stock to ensure faster service and smoother customer support. These sample tax invoices reflect our genuine business transactions and growing market presence. The trust of our customers is one of our biggest strengths. Here are a few customer feedback clips and testimonials that reflect their experience with Firsttech Machine LLP, our products, and our support services.
Hi, मेरा नाम दीपक है, मैं सीजीएम से हूँ, अंधेरी से। मैंने फर्स्टटेक से 3 मशीन खरीदा है, इनका सर्विस भी अच्छा है एंड डिलीवरी ऑन टाइम पे दिया है। बाकी कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है तो हमें टाइम पे इनका जो भी इशू रहते हैं आकर के सॉल्व कर देते हैं, तो हमें किसी चीज़ का इशू इनसे नहीं है।
For product details, installation, dealership opportunities, and technical support, contact Firsttech Machine LLP. Thank you.